Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the Captain Spark we left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the spark in city light when it's day to night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart when it breaks so hard.
Yeah, hi there, Andrew James here. Today we're going to another beach in East Java, which I don't know the name yet, but I'm going to tell you later when I'm doing a vlog. It's probably about 2 hours drive from here, and we'll do probably some stopping on the way, and I'll try to get some pictures because the area where we're going to is absolutely beautiful, and there is an island at this beach. I'm hoping if the wind's not too bad. I'm bringing my DJI with me today. It's all packed here in my bag. It's all ready. I've got a sport camera. I've got another a mirrorless camera with me, and of course my telephone and different kinds of tripods and other equipment which may be required. So, see you at the beach. See you later. Bye. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. Ready, excited. Yeah, hi. Yeah, we just arrived. Well, it took us probably about 2.5 or 3 hours. I'm not sure exactly because the road was pretty bad as usual, as it is in Indonesia. I've made some footage on my action camera on the way, on like my dash cam, and I'll put it into the video later. And now we arrived at it's called Nilip Beach or Pantai. Pantai is Indonesian, means beach, and it's quite wonderful here. And I think altogether we have 3 or 4 beaches, like small lagoons, you can say. And well, I'll make some footage and see you later. Bye.
Maybe you came from heaven, maybe using me a second. I feel the love and I wonder how. You kiss me in the party, you make me feel like crazy. Oh baby, I'm not in a dream. I see the sunlight shining on your shoulder. Now you tell me we should make it slower. Baby, baby, I don't want it be over. I just wanna stay for longer. Baby, baby, I don't
tide is now going out, so it's going to be interesting. Probably in about an hour, we will try to walk out to where the rocks are and see some reefs, which will be still full of water, and it should be possible to find some fish which have probably been stranded, or the odd one or two crabs, and maybe some other things, starfish and other kinds of creatures which live in the ocean. Well, we haven't found much fish here, but we see that lots of people here are looking for shellfish, like small, I think they're called hornets or something like that, I'm not sure. And there's a lot of small crabs around this area. I've just been into a small cave, and the crabs were jumping left and right to get out of my way. And apart from that, there's a lot of starfish around, but very small, and nothing really worth looking at the moment, and very hard to catch on the camera.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about all the Captain Spark we left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it all together, but I'm waking up sad. You don't need to show your faggot love anymore to them. Can you feel the spark in city light when you stay the night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's Spark we left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the spark in city light when you stay the night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart. Break it so hard. Break it so hard.
Yeah, hi. Actually, here are 4 beaches. My wife just told me around the corner there's another beach, just where I've been filming with DJI Spark, which was really good. I got really high up. It's not too windy, and I think I've got some good footage, which I will show you all later. We are now just relaxing a while. now I've got another palm tree over my head, but not such a big one like before, because I was thinking maybe one of the coconuts may be able to fall down onto my head, and well, wouldn't be very nice, I think. We'll be going round to the other beach maybe in 10-15 minutes. My wife Regina has just gone out to find something cold to drink, as the cafe is closed today. It's a weekday, it's a Wednesday, so not many people go here to the beach on a day like today. This beach is situated, as I have told you, in East Java. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's just been partly renovated. I came here probably about 2 years ago and it was totally different, but I see now, not only due to the ocean that's eroding the cliffs away, also they've done some excavation here and put up some interesting things, like I was just on like a swing, which when the tide is up you're just swinging in the sea, which is really great, and a few other objects here which makes it a lot of fun. Also for the kids there's a few climbing frames, and if you want a bite to eat, there's the famous bakso here, which is like a meatball soup which lots of Indonesian people eat. It can be spicy, it's up to you how you mix it. Normally you get the soup with meatballs and of course the soup also, which is like just a water, like a broth you can say, and you add to that, you can add ketchup, you can add sweet soy sauce, and of course without chili it wouldn't be good in Indonesia. So see you in a minute, bye.